Hello everyone! Welcome back to A Tips to Earn, your go-to channel for money-making strategies and online income opportunities. In today's video, we have an exciting topic that will surely grab your attention. Get ready to learn how to earn $99 a day with Google News for free. Yes, you heard it right, it's absolutely free, and you can start making money online as a beginner in 2023. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. Hey there, fellow money makers. I'm thrilled to share this incredible opportunity with you. We all know that Google is the search giant, but did you know that you can actually make money using Google News? It's one of the most underrated methods out there, and I'm here to spill the secrets that will help you earn a solid $99 every single day. Let's get started. First things first, why should you consider Google News as a source of income? Well, Google News is a platform that aggregates news articles from various sources and presents them in a user-friendly format. It has a massive user base, making it a goldmine for online money-making opportunities. By leveraging Google News, you can tap into this vast audience and earn money through various methods. Now let's dive into the strategies. Strategy 1. Monetizing your Google News website. Creating a website dedicated to curating and publishing news articles from Google News can be a lucrative endeavor. Here's how you can monetize it. First, focus on a specific niche that you're passionate about, such as technology, finance, or health. Next, consistently publish high-quality articles related to your chosen niche, ensuring you're providing value to your readers. Once you have a decent amount of content, you can apply for Google AdSense. When approved, you'll be able to display ads on your website and earn money whenever visitors click on those ads. Remember to optimize your website for search engines, use engaging headlines, and promote it through social media to attract a steady flow of traffic. Strategy 2. YouTube channel monetization with Google News content. If you're comfortable with being on camera, starting a YouTube channel is an excellent way to leverage Google News and earn money online. Create videos that discuss trending news topics or provide analysis on specific news articles found on Google News. Remember to add your unique perspective and personality to stand out from the crowd. Once your channel meets the eligibility criteria, apply for the YouTube Partner Program. This will enable you to monetize your videos through ads, sponsorships, and even merchandise. By consistently creating valuable content and building a loyal audience, you can earn a substantial income from your Google News-inspired YouTube channel. Before we wrap up, here are a few bonus tips to boost your earnings with Google News. Tip 1. Optimize your content for SEO. Research keywords related to your niche and strategically incorporate them into your articles or video titles, descriptions, and tags. This will increase your chances of ranking higher on search engine results pages and attract more organic traffic. Tip 2. Network and collaborate with other content creators or journalists in your niche. Partnering with influential individuals can help increase your exposure and open doors to new monetization opportunities. Tip 3. Stay up to date with the latest news trends and adapt your content strategy accordingly. By keeping a finger on the pulse of current events, you'll be able to produce timely and relevant content that resonates with your audience. And there you have it, folks. Those were the strategies and bonus tips to help you earn $99 a day with Google News for free as a beginner in 2023. Remember, consistency, quality content, and persistence are the keys to success in this game. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep hustling and stay tuned to A Tips to Earn for more amazing money-making tips and tricks. See you soon.